This villain was exposed when speeding past an officer investigating a hit and run.
You, stop, stop, stop! Okay.
The officer immediately pursued the fleeing driver, and found the Mustang parked in a nearby residential neighborhood.
Hi there. Do you guys know whose white Mustang this is?
Tell her to come out. Yeah.
I'll let him know in a second. Okay. Yeah, can you have him step out? Hi. Do I look familiar? Yeah, I know. Yeah. Turn around, put your hands behind your back. You're under arrest for fleeing and eluding law enforcement.
What?
I walked out, flagged you down, told you to stop, and you rapidly accelerated away from me.
What?
Yes, ma'am. It's all on body cam.
Because you just...
Nope, I walked out of the road and was telling you to stop.
You walked out on the
Yep,
road. You
correct.
didn't-
And I was telling you to stop. It's all on body cam. You're under arrest for fleeing and eluding law enforcement. Come here.
Can I just call her mom?
Yeah, you can call her mom. Is that on her phone right there? I am a law enforcement officer, fully uniformed, telling you to stop because you're passing all those cars in a double yellow.
I passed one car.
You passed
I passed one
multiple.
car. I passed
It doesn't
one car.
matter. You still fled law enforcement. And then you rapidly accelerated as you went by me. You didn't stop, didn't do anything, didn't even hit the brakes.
No, I was going the speed limit across.
No, you weren't.
Can I talk to someone else?
It was just me there. I don't know who you want to talk to. Who do you want to talk to?
Maybe your supervisor?
Yeah, he's on his way. You're more than welcome to. That's fleeing and eluding law enforcement. So until we get a cage car here, she can have a seat if she wants, okay? Do you have anything on you? Because I have a female that's going to come search you.
No.
So, yeah, no, I literally was at Clubhouse and Pioneer. I hear her car accelerating rapidly, so I look, and she's in the middle of passing vehicles, coming back over. I'm in the road, hands up, telling her to stop. Clearly look like a law enforcement officer. No brakes, no lights, nothing. She just keeps going, guns it. So, okay, that's fleeing and eluding.
Speeding is usually a minor traffic offense. But ignoring an officer's order to stop with immediate arrest and serious legal consequences. Any pursuit also increases the risk of a collision, endangering the public.
Can we go to court for this?
Absolutely. You're going to be going to court no matter what.
And you said you have it on dash cam?
I have it on body cam. Even better, because I was right there.
No, I pay.
So, do you have the key to the car?
I'll get it.
Okay.
Hey, Dad. They're arresting me for fleeing and eluding. I passed in a double line, and then an officer came. I said, I'm getting arrested because an officer said I was fleeing and eluding. I was driving on Pioneer Trail. He came out and ran in front of, he half ran in front of my, he didn't even fully run in front of my car. And then now I'm getting arrested for it because I parked at Mia's because he said I was fleeing. But he wasn't even behind me with lights on or anything.
Doesn't matter. Don't need to be. Thank you. I absolutely don't need to have lights, sirens activated. I'm a fully uniformed law enforcement officer telling you to stop.
Do you have your laptop in there? I did. I don't know.
Can I talk to him?
Yeah.
Officer Riera.
Okay.
Hey there, it's Officer Riera, New Smyrna Beach Police Department.
Do you have anything for school?
What officer who?
Officer Riera with the New Smyrna Beach Police Department.
Hey, Riera. How you
Okay,
doing?
good. So, literally, I'm in the middle of the road. I'm a fully uniformed police officer telling her to stop. Not only does she not even apply the brakes, she rapidly accelerates away from me to the point where I have to jump in my car, which was parked several hundred feet away because I was investigating a hit and run crash. And now all of a sudden she's gone nowhere. So then I obviously find the car and make contact with her. So I don't need to have lights and sirens on behind her or anything like that. I'm a fully uniformed police officer. I was given clear hand signals to stop. And I have a witness who was the victim of my hit and run crash who watched the entire thing. So, of course, that meets statute requirements for fleeing and eluding. I don't mean to be a jerk about it or anything like that, but that's where we're at, okay?
How far does she go from when you try to gesture her to stop?
Over a mile. I mean, she's over at 2719 or 2793 Neverland Drive, and this was at Clubhouse and Pioneer when I was telling her to stop her vehicle. So she didn't try to pull off the road down the street, nothing like that.
Was she able to see you? Or?
Oh yeah, I am in a, she just told me I saw him in my uniform, so that's all I need. Like, and I know she saw me because I was about in the middle of the road to where before she would run me over, so I didn't want to get ran over because she was already doing 65 plus. So, I have everything I need for fleeing and eluding. It is what it is. So she can take it to court. It's going to go to court no matter what, but that's what I have. It meets statute requirements. That's what we're doing. Okay.
Okay. Can you put her back on the phone?
Yeah, you're on speaker.
Hey.
Okay. So,
Yeah.
I guess so,
you'll learn a lesson eventually. So what are you gonna? Have you contacted your mom yet?
She won't answer.
Okay.
She's at
So
work.
they're gonna. So you'll probably be in jail for the weekend then.
Yeah. Okay.
So.
Because you're not gonna get out right away. Why were you going that fast down Pioneer Trail?
I passed one car. I passed one car because he was going like 30, and I passed him.
Okay, so when he waved
And it was a double yellow line, so I shouldn't have.
Why did what they?
Because I didn't.
Quiet, quiet, or you'll stay in that place for a week. Listen to me. Do you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Do you hear me?
Yes.
You're good.
Okay.
Appreciate it.
So why didn't you pull over at the time when he waved you down to stop? Why didn't you stop?
Because it wasn't like he was. I really didn't even know. I just saw a person in white and black, and then
Doing this. Full.
he had one
fully-
hand out, and it wasn't like he was in front of my car like that. He like literally was from the side, like completely the side. I wasn't going 60. That's a hearsay. I was not going 60. From 30 to 60, I can't just do that when I'm in the other line going over to the other side.
Okay, so when he came to pull you over,
He didn't. He came over and found my car and pulled
It's
me
all on
over.
body cam, sir. I was almost in the roadway. The reason I didn't go all the way in the roadway is because she was going so fast I didn't want to get hit by her. Because obviously I could see that she was not slowing
65
down.
is just what he thinks.
Okay, Sarah, you are being so cocky.
I'm actually an
right now.
instructor for speed
It's
measurement,
not
so
even funny.
smart.
I'm not laughing.
I wouldn't be laughing. It's a felony. You committed a felony. Don't laugh at that.
Yeah, I mean, you're being cocky. You're not even being polite. You're not even using manners.
Yeah, this has been her the entire time, sir.
I know. That's what I don't get with her. It's just total ridiculous. So you don't understand what you just did. You
I
really
do.
don't. Oh, you do you? Really? Like, how do you understand what you're doing? Because you're being a smartass the whole time to me, too. So I can only imagine how you're speaking to an officer.
It's all on body cam. I've been trying to be respectful to her, but
Right, I don't get it. Like, so you just totally just screwed yourself inside and out for what you just did. Big time. Because now your car's going to get towed to the impound. You're going to have to pay to get that out, too, now.
Yeah, he said 30 days.
yeah, but there's going to be a 30-day hold on it. There's going to be a 30-day hold on it.
So your nursing stuff is going to be screwed up now too, because you don't have no damn manners. And you know what? It's going to take something like this to fuck you up now, and now you're done because you're so goddamn arrogant and cocky the whole damn time when you
Go
could
ahead.
talk to the officer normally, but you didn't. You had to be a real jerk, didn't you?
This is Tara.
I know you, Tara. You can't bullshit me. He's got the body cam on. So you just totally screwed your whole shit up. Nursing degree, everything. You just did it because
Nursing license applications require a background check, and a felony can cause delays or even denial. Hospitals also check records when hiring, which may affect employment.
Did you hear your dad?
All right, so when you get to jail, you get one phone
Go,
call.
just follow her instructions.
So you figure out who you gonna call, to get you out of jail. So when you call your mom and start bitching at her and stuff, she gonna make you sit. You call me, I'll make you ass sit too, because I'm not putting up with this shit. You got an attitude, Tara. It's gotta change. It gotta change. It's ridiculous. So this might be your game changer. You could have been probably polite to the officer from the get-go, and you probably wouldn't be in the situation you are right now. And I bet if you asked the officer that, Your cockiness has probably what put you in that position right there. I guarantee it.
All right. She's getting searched right now by a female deputy. Do you have anything else for her? If not, we're gonna load her up and do some paperwork. Okay.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Yes, sir. No problem. Yep. Bye. You got jewelry on. Do you want to leave that with them and not bring it into the jail, like the earrings and stuff and your necklace? Because they're gonna take it all off when you get there.
Can I take it out?
Yeah. So if I uncuff you, to have you take them out, you're not doing anything?
No.
All right.
Oh, Mom, I'm getting arrested because I fleed an officer.
She's gonna need somebody to post a bond.
Anything else? Any other jewelry?
Okay. You might not be able to bond her out until she's in their system.
It's probably going to be a couple hours when she gets in
It'll probably be
there.
a couple hours because they're gonna have to fingerprint her. But as long as we get in touch with her,
Have you ever been arrested before for anything?
or you can read the charges, it'll get done faster for her. Her phone's gonna get turned off, and she's going with the cop now. All right, thank you. Okay. All right.
Bye, Mom.
It's not fun. Be prepared to be strip searched. But what strip search? Take everything around.
Yeah.
And you bend over. No, on call.
And now that you know that, if you do have anything on you and you introduce it into the branch jail, it's a felony, okay?
What's your name?
My name is Officer Gott.
Nice to meet you. Well, not really, but. How long have you been a police officer?
Almost 11 years.
Oh, well. Do you like it?
Oh, I absolutely love it. I mean, if I didn't like it, I wouldn't be doing it for 11 years.
How long do you think I'll be there for?
Where?
Like, just in general, like, the police station and stuff like that?
Well, it depends. I'm pretty sure that it's a third-degree felony, so you'll have a bond.
Okay.
So a couple hours, then you'll be able to bond out.
Okay. Did you play baseball or, like, football with them?
I played football with Nate for a long time.
Yeah. I think my dad was the coach.
He was.
Yeah.
You have like zero criminal history, right?
Yeah. I mean, one time I shoplifted when I was 16, but I don't think it's on there.
Did they charge you with anything or no?
No. Because it was like through teen court. So maybe, I don't know. I don't think so. Otherwise, nothing. Can this get expunged or anything?
I mean, potentially, if you have no criminal history or anything like that,
Yeah.
you know, they might work with you.
Isn't third degree like the least felony?
The felonies, yes.
Yeah.
Do you want the windows up like that or down like that? Or
It's
do you want
fine like that. The camera's kind of covered by that thing. I don't know if that matters. Like the bars.
Should be fine.
Okay.
A single decision behind the wheel can create consequences that last far beyond the moment. Traffic laws exist for a reason. To protect you, and everyone around you. Stay alert and drive responsibly.
Have footage or a story the world should see? Share it with us. Have a tip or insight? Drop it in the comments. Every detail matters.